Hey guys, today I'm going to check out the iPad 6th generation. Let's unbox it. Inside the box, you'll find the iPad. As well as a Lightning to USB cable and the charging adapter. Welcome to iPad sheet. Warranty information, I guess. And 2 Apple stickers. You have volume buttons, a power button, the home buttons, and Touch ID, the Lightning port with dual speakers, a camera, and a 3.5mm headphone jack, as well as a front camera. Compared to an iPad 2, it's the same height, but the iPad 2 is slightly wider. Let's turn it on for the first time. I'm going to fast forward through some of the boring parts. At this point, you can restore apps and data from iCloud backup, iTunes backup, set it up as a new iPad, or you can move data from an Android device. Now you can set up a new feature called Screen Time. Wait, this is an app that limits the time on the iPad. I'm gonna skip this. Don't tell my parents. And you tap Get Started. Now that the iPad is ready to use, you'll have some default apps on it, but you can get more by opening the App Store, where you can find a whole bunch of apps. In summary, the iPad 6th generation gives you the most bang for your buck because it's the cheapest iPad, has the latest hardware, and it supports the Apple Pencil, which was previously only supported on the more expensive iPad Pro.
Thank you for watching.